Encapsulation is used to ensure that sensitive data is hidden from users. To do this, class variables, attributes must be declared private. They cannot be accessed from outside the class. You can give public get and set methods if you want people to read or change the value of a private member. Example. Example explained. The salary attribute is private, which have restricted access. The public set salary method takes a parameter, s, and assigns it to the salary attribute, salary equals s. The public get salary method returns the value of the private salary attribute. Inside main, we create an object of the employee class. Now we can use the set salary method to set the value of the private attribute to 50,000. Then we call the get salary method on the object to return the value. Why encapsulation? It is considered good practice to declare your class attributes as private as often as you can. Encapsulation ensures better control of your data, because you, or others, can change one part of the code without affecting other parts. Increased security of data. Thanks for watching.